For the mango chutney, we need mangoes. Like that, I am going to make a chutney, no? So when you make like this, we can have with any fruits that you like, you can use it. But I have chosen the mangoes. Okay, so we will see how and what we are going to do with these mangoes. It should not be fully ripe, it should be half ripe. I bought yesterday, but it became a little more ripe also today, but it should be half ripe mangoes, right? And then we need a little sultanas, then we need onions, ginger, garlic, all that, and we need a little gingerly oil also. So we will see how we are going to do now and what I am going to do here straight away. First thing, I am going to put the mangoes. I said half ripe mangoes we need, and we can use whatever fruits you like also you can put, and the sultanas also we can put. Sultanas, raisins, whatever you like you can use. First thing, those two only I have put. A little water, say about half a cup of water I will put, and nicely boil this. So boil this nicely. While I am boiling it, now it has started getting boiled. What I am going to do now is put a little salt now itself. The beginning itself I will put the salt. Half ripe is nice. Should get boiled well and get mashed also. Onions. Finely chopped onions I will use a little. Ginger and garlic also finely chopped. Those two we will add it. This type of chutney is really nice, so we will have to make it in such a way so that it will get nicely cooked well. We will use a little chili pieces in it to give a good taste and flavor. A little chili pieces. Then I need a little pepper, not much, a little pepper. I put salt, but I put a little more, and a little turmeric. There is a difference. Every chutney that is made, each person makes it in a different way. So we will have to see how we are making, and what happens when we make this chutney is very important. Now what I am going to use is a little gingerly oil and a little sugar. See, it has got nicely mashed up, and how it looks. See, this is the chutney that I have made. I have made some rotis also. This chutney we will serve it with the rotis. Whatever kind of rotis you can make, or you can have it with the rice also. Whatever you want you can have it, no problem. Just a little bit of decoration just to have it, just to tell that there's a little live in this, so we can have this chutney. Now this chutney, rotis I can do is, I will put a little, spread it nicely, and I can roll it, and if I want I can have it. So since I made it, I really want to taste it immediately, but I'll wait for it because I want you to make it and see how it comes. Any kind of roti you can make, naan roti, whatever rotis you want, you can make it and have it. Not only with the roti, you can have it with anything. Chutney is very nice, and the way I have done it, it's good for health also, because we used a little gingerly oil. We didn't use any other oil. If you want, you can use olive oil also, but it will be really nice if I use gingerly oil. Olive oil also I can put if you want. I can pour it over it also and serve, but gingerly oil we stir fry it slightly so that it gives a different taste and flavor in it, and you can serve with either with rice, rotis, anything that you want, you can have it. So try out and see how it comes, because this is quick easy, healthy preparation. This chutney is very tasty, I told you. So you try it out. With anything you like, you can have it, and you try all these recipes and see how it comes, because I am coming back with you with the next episode, another nice recipe. So be ready to see that recipe. Bye from me now.